In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off read receipts in Microsoft Teams. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where the setting lives and how to change it, so you can control whether other people can see when you've read their messages. Let's start from your Microsoft Teams window. Make sure you're signed in and looking at the main Teams interface, not inside a specific chat or meeting pop-up. In the upper right-hand corner of the screen, you'll see a small icon with 3 vertical dots. This is often called the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This menu is where Teams keeps your personal settings and a few other useful tools. Once that menu opens, look for the option labeled Settings. It should appear near the top of the list. Click on Settings to open the main settings panel. This panel controls how Teams behaves for you personally, including notifications, devices, and privacy options. We're going to focus on the privacy side of things. Inside the settings panel, you'll see a list or column of categories along the side. Find and select the one named Privacy. Clicking Privacy will open a page dedicated to how your information, notifications, and interactions are handled within Teams. This is where Microsoft groups options like blocking contacts and managing read receipts. On the Privacy page, look for the section related to read receipts. You should see a simple toggle switch that lets you turn this feature on or off. If the toggle is on, that means other people can see when you viewed their messages, and you can see when they've read yours. To turn off read receipts, click the toggle so it moves to the off position. Visually, it will usually change color or slide to the opposite side to confirm it's now disabled. After you switch it off, Teams will stop sending read confirmations to other users. Keep in mind that this setting may not affect old messages, but it will apply to new conversations going forward. Also, some organizations manage these options centrally, so if you don't see the toggle, or it's grayed out, your administrator might have locked this setting. Once you're done, you can simply close the settings panel. Your change is saved automatically, so there's no need to hit a separate save button. That's all you need to do to turn off read receipts in Microsoft Teams and get a bit more control over your privacy.